What's up, y'all? It's your girl Temu Diamonds here, and I'm back in another video. I'm back in a nail video. I thought it was time to finally just do another nail video because it's been a minute. So I'm gonna be doing these cherry nails. These nails I got from SHEIN. So yeah, and the glue that I'm using is the gold finger one. Also, be sure to check out my other videos if you haven't. It will be linked up above. So yeah. So this is how they're looking. I'm just gonna do this. I have my nails. Also, you guys, if you have not seen my other nail videos, I will link them up above as well. I felt like a lot of you guys didn't see those. Like, I realized with YouTube, they push certain videos mine out, and then certain videos they don't. So it gets really annoying, honestly. Alright, let me pick out. This one's good for the thumbs. This one will be for the middle. If y'all hear any like talking and stuff, that's TikTok live. With this, I think I want this to be in the middle. Yeah, that in the middle, yeah. That'll be in the middle. And I want one of the cherry ones here. Okay. And then I have like one here. One right here. Alright, I'm gonna get the other side done, ready, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm all good now, so let's go ahead and put the glue. This glue is pretty strong, so it should hold pretty good. Make sure I'm in the camera. Yeah, I haven't had nails on in a while, so I took a really long break from them. The next one there's hopefully this actually stays put. And sometimes I have issues with the nails like coming off, and it's like very annoying. So hopefully the glue does its job. I need their like claw nails, I just realized. This is really cute. I never had nails with like a lot of stuff on this, a lot of things on it. So this is a first for me. Yeah, that's so far. I think this one could be a little bit too big. Looks a little bit bigger. The right already had the nail stuff on there, so. Oh boy. These are really long and sharp. I'm not really used to claw nails like that. The other ones I had on were claw nails, but they didn't really last long because the colors are coming off already. The nails itself kept popping off. Very annoying. But look how cute this looks. I'm gonna have to buy another one for SHEIN because I actually like this set of nails. Oh my goodness. And these are different sizes. Kind of messed up on that. It's okay if this one ends up like falling off or whatever the case is. I might just fix that. But yeah, I think I'm supposed to put this on this, honestly. So yeah. this came up. This looks fucking crooked now. Oh boy. If it comes out like I'll fix it, but I didn't mean to do it like that. Usually I use a kiss glue, but I don't know. A lot of times when I kept using it, the nail eventually kept falling off. So hopefully this one is a lot better. The nails are looking really cute though. So for this one that's crooked, but you know. I think this one's crooked too, oh gosh. But this is the final look. Let me move everything out the way and close the glue. Move everything out the way. Well, you can still kind of see it. Let me just put it on the opposite side. So this is how the nails are looking. Very pretty. Very pretty. I'm gonna see how long these last, and hopefully the color doesn't come off when I wet my hand from time to time. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.